After watching this overview on Embird machine embroidery and digitizing software, you should have a good grasp of the basics regarding the functionality of the Embird Basic program and its related plugins. Embird embroidery software was created in 1997 by Dusan Ballara, after realizing the need for simplified embroidery solutions. Embird is an affordable embroidery solution that enables the industrial embroiderer, home embroiderer, as well as the professional embroidery entrepreneur, to create amazing embroidery designs. Embird supports more than 70 embroidery file formats and 20 home and industrial embroidery machine brands. Embird is compatible with Windows 11 and previous versions and can also be used on Mac. Today, Embird are used by thousands of very satisfied customers globally. Embird is a modular software, which means that you can choose which modules to buy, and this is what makes Embird such an affordable embroidery software solution. The installation file of Embird contains the main basic Embird program, which is the main editor, alongside its plugin modules, namely, Font Engine, Sfumato Stitch, Digitizing Tools, Cross Stitch, Iconizer and Alphabets Lettering. Basic Embird works in two modes, Embird Manager and Embird Editor. It also serves as a central for other plugin modules. Embird Basic program resizes, splits, edits, displays, prints and converts embroidery designs. There are several optional plugin programs and alphabets available for Embird, expanding its capabilities with digitizing, lettering, cross-stitch designs, conversion of TrueType fonts into embroidery, etc. For a more detailed description of the Embird Manager and Editor, you can expand the Plus tab in the description section. Embird Font Engine combines embroidery lettering tool and graphics in vector file format. It creates embroidery lettering from common Windows fonts in TrueType and OpenType format. It is also possible to use it with third-party ready-made embroidery alphabets. Because of its vector handling capabilities, Font Engine is capable to convert vector clipart or logos created with graphic programs into embroidery designs. For a more detailed description of Font Engine, you can expand the Plus tab in the description section. Studio is an optional plugin which consists of two parts, Sfumato Stitch and Digitizing Tools. Embird Studio is also referred to as the Digitizing plugin. Studio uses vector objects for easier creation of design, while basic Embird program works mostly with stitch files. Embird Studio's main concept of digitizing is to draw vector outlines of respective objects, and fill them with various types of stitches in a similar way as you fill an object with a color in a graphic program. In short, Sfumato Stitch is responsible for photos to embroidery, portraits, landscapes, etc. Fill stitches are generated so that they approximate the photo, whereas Digitizing Tools is responsible for digitizing of logos and fancy designs, lettering, auto-tracing, freehand and the conversion of vector files into embroidery. Embird Cross Stitch provides a number of tools and stitch styles to create a perfect cross-stitch pattern. Manual drawing of crosses, automatic conversion from artwork, editing, outlining and lettering are all included in this software tool. Computerized cross-stitch allows you to focus on the creative aspect of embroidery. The program arranges the sewing order of crosses to optimize the actual embroidery process. Iconizer displays content of embroidery files as icons or thumbnails. This capability is not limited to files displayed in Embird. Once the Iconizer is installed and registered, it will display in Windows Explorer, or File Explorer, and all programs that use standard dialog windows. Whenever Windows needs to draw the icon of an embroidery file in any program or panel, Iconizer supplies the image of design stored in this file. This allows you to see icons of actual designs, not just generic icons, as would happen without Iconizer. Iconizer is a useful tool to manage your embroidery designs in Explorer or other programs. Alphabets are manually pre-digitized embroidery lettering fonts in resizable format. Alphabets contain multiple versions of each character, optimized for various size range and for a nearest point connection between the letters. Therefore, they are especially suitable for creation of a small lettering. Embird allows comfortable work with alphabets, including arching and shaping of the text. Here you can see a range of the alphabet styles available to you. For a quick overview, you can navigate to the tab in our menu bar that reads, Embird Machine Embroidery Overview. This page will give you a quick overview of the Embird Basic program and its related plugins.
Thank you so much for watching. Should you have any questions,
Please feel free to leave your comments in the video comment section below. Alternatively, you can contact us through our web chat or send to us an email at info@embird.co.uk.